Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise the lesson keyboard. In this lesson we have seen the type of keys, that is first is alphabet keys. So basically there are 26 alphabet keys from A to Z as you are seeing in this video. Next is number keys, which are used for typing the numbers, and these number keys are present on right side of the keyboard, which are called as numeric keys. In this numeric keys you can see the numlock key. When you press on this numlock key, the numeric key will get activated. Next is special keys, which include spacebar key. Then caps lock key, which is used for typing alphabets in capital letters. Next is backspace key. Backspace key is used to erase character to the left side of the cursor. Shift key. Shift key is used to type special symbol present on the upper part of the keys, and which is used to type the capital letters also and special characters also. To type the special character, you have to press hold on the shift key and the number key 1 to type explanation symbol. Next is enter key, which is used to move the cursor to the next line. For example, you want to type the name of 3 persons. It's given like Nikki. You want to type second name on next line, you have to press the enter key and type second name as Rima, and third, if you want to type Sonia, then again press the enter key and then type the name. Symbol keys are used to type the special characters and numbers also. So when you want to type the special character, you have to make use of the shift key. Next is tab key. It allows to jump the cursor to the 5 spaces forward. Next is function key. These are used to perform specific tasks and they are labeled from F1 to F12. They are present on the topmost row of the keyboard, and these function keys are used to perform different functions in different programs. Next is navigation keys. Basically these keys are also called as arrow keys, and they are used to move the cursor on the screen. The arrow marks are meant for choosing the directions, so they are also called cursor control keys. Now next we'll see again different types of keys, such as home, which is used to move the cursor at the beginning of the line, and when you want to move the cursor at the end of line, you have to use the end key. And suppose you want to move the cursor to the top of the document which you are typing in MS Word, then you have to press the 2 keys at a time, that is Control plus home, and next is Control plus end, which is used to move the cursor at the bottom of the document, that is at the last page. So top of the document is nothing but the first page, and bottom of the document is nothing but the last page. So you have to remember these keys. These are the important keys. Next,